Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Acura TL, ZDX, ILX key for battery replacement, basically used for different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. First what we have to do is to take the emergency key by pressing this button right here and it comes out. Now, as you can see, this is where the key goes in, like this, and there is a small slot right here. You can use the emergency key, or I prefer big flathead. I just put it like that, and I turn clockwise, okay, and it opens. No need to apply a lot of pressure, do it gently. This part we will move aside. This is the electronics, the chip, no need to touch that. If it comes off, good. If not, small flathead right on the side, right here, and you just pull it up. Okay, here is the battery, as I mentioned, 2032. With the small flathead, you also gently push it out, okay. Maybe a little bit more. This is a good one, so I'll use it again. Just put it back all the way in. Now, face down. Here you have to make sure that it all sits where it should. Just like that. Okay, play with it a little bit if you need. Once again, try not to touch this one, you shouldn't. But it's not a big deal also. And now all we have to do is just to put the cover to match, and you close. As you can see, it works. Put the emergency key back and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.